Have you ever wondered why some men command instant respect without saying a word, while you struggle just to be heard? You are nice, you are polite, you are competent. Yet, people interrupt you. They talk over you, they make jokes at your expense. You think it's because they are rude. You think it's their fault. I have bad news for you. It is not their fault. It is yours. Human beings are social animals. And like wolves, we constantly test each other for dominance. When someone disrespects you, they are running a test. They are checking to see if you have a backbone. And every time you laugh it off, every time you stay silent, every time you smile nervously, you fail the test. You teach people how to treat you. And right now, you are teaching them that you are insignificant. Today, we are going to fix that. We are going to expose the 4 hidden signals you are sending that scream, "I am weak," and exactly how to stop them. The first reason people disrespect you happens before you even open your mouth. It is your stillness or lack thereof. Watch a high-status man. Watch a CEO, a general, or a king. What do they have in common? They do not move unless they have to. They are grounded. They occupy space. Now, look at yourself. When you are in a conversation, you are leaking energy. You nod your head too much. You fidget with your hands. You shift your weight from one foot to the other. You break eye contact the moment it gets intense. In the animal kingdom, excessive movement is a sign of fear. It signals that you are ready to flee. When you fidget, your subconscious is shouting, "I am uncomfortable. Please don't hurt me." People pick up on this instantly. They might not realize it consciously, but their reptile brain sees you as prey. If you want respect, you must master the art of being a statue. Stop nodding. Stop smiling to break the tension. Hold your ground. Let your stillness intimidate them. Robert Greene, in the 48 Laws of Power, wrote, "Always say less than necessary, but you do the opposite. When someone questions you, or when you make a mistake, what do? You explain, then you explain again. Then you apologize, then you justify. You talk and talk and talk. You think you are being clear, but actually you are seeking validation. You are begging them to understand you. You are begging them to forgive you. High-value men do not explain themselves. They state the facts, and then they embrace the silence. When you over-explain, you hand over your power. You are telling the other person, "You are the judge, and I am the victim. Please accept my excuse." Stop it. Make your point, then close your mouth. The silence that follows will be uncomfortable. Good. Let them fill the silence. Let them be the ones who are nervous. The person who is most comfortable with silence is the person who holds the power. There is a theory in criminology called the broken window theory. It says that if a building has one broken window that is not fixed, soon all the windows will be broken. Why? Because it signals that nobody cares. It signals that there are no consequences. Your reputation is that building. The reason people disrespect you today is because you let them get away with a small disrespect yesterday. Maybe they made a sarcastic joke about your shirt and you laughed. Maybe they interrupted you and you let them keep talking. Maybe they were 15 minutes late and you said, "It's okay." You think you are being nice, you think you are keeping the peace, but you are actually painting a target on your back. You are showing them that your boundaries are made of paper. You must fix the broken window immediately. If someone interrupts you, stop. Look at them. Wait for them to finish. And then say, "I wasn't finished speaking." You don't have to be angry. You don't have to shout. You just have to show them that there is a cost to crossing you. The final reason people treat you like trash is simple economics. Supply and demand. Water is essential for life, yet it is free. Why? Because it is everywhere. Diamonds are useless, yet they cost millions. Why? Because they are rare. You are water. You are everywhere. You are always available. You answer texts instantly. You say yes to every favor. You change your plans to fit theirs. You have made your time cheap. And people do not respect cheap things. If you want respect, you must become scarce. You must have a mission that is more important than their approval. When you are busy building your empire, you don't have time for nonsense. And, strangely, when you stop chasing people, they start chasing you. They start respecting your time because you respect your time. Listen to me. Respect is not given, it is taken. The world is not a nice place. It is a hierarchy. And you are being judged every single second. If you want to stop the disrespect, you must kill the nice guy inside you. Stop fidgeting. Be still. Stop over-explaining. Embrace silence. Punish the small disrespects. Defend your boundaries. Be scarce. Prioritize your mission. People will say you have changed. They might say you have become arrogant. Let them talk. Because while they are talking, they will be looking up at you.